Do you have a comfort food? This is my comfort food. You can prepare it with 3 ingredients. Hello, my name is Goldie. And you are watching The Thriving Kid. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. 3 ingredients: French fries, cooking oil, and salt. Turn on the stove. Preheat wok. Then when it's hot, put the cooking oil. Loads of it. It's starting to get hot when bubbles start appearing. Then when it's hot, charan! Let the comfort food cooking begins. Exciting! Yum yum! Watch for it and check if other parts are starting to crisp and change color. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. At the moment, we're in the long process. Look at the oil, it's boiling. I think this will take forever. LOL. Move it. Just keep moving it. Oh, I think I saw Nemo and Dory in there. Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. See that yummy looking fries? I love to eat it now. Yummy! Do you see the color? It's starting to change and textures starts to crisp. Boring! But patience, patience. Uh-oh, more time needed for cooking this comfort food than I ever imagined. More time, patience, patience. Still cooking. Still not done cooking. Patience, patience. It's here. Out of the wok. Use a sifter strainer to sift oil. Slowly, the oil is hot. Too slow. Can't wait to eat. LOL. Loading 30%. Loading 70%. Success! 100%. See the oil? Oil to oil, down to toe. Oil still dripping. Allow sifting to get rid of the oil and to cool down the fries. Keep the oil for future use. Remember, 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Now look at the fries. Yummy! eating my comfort food in different angles. Then in a slow-mo, sprinkle the salt. Salt. More salt. And enjoy! Let's eat, and thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. Also comment below and hit the like button. See you in my next video!